Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tea buns at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cold butter. Also, have 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder ready. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Next, cut in the cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg and milk. This ensures an even distribution of the wet ingredients, leading to a perfectly consistent dough for your buns. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious buns. Lightly flour your work surface and gently knead the dough for about 1 minute. Then, roll it out to a thickness of approximately 1/2 inch. Use a 2-inch round cutter to create your individual tea buns. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Once your tea buns are beautifully golden, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on a wire rack. While they are still warm, they are absolutely delightful. Serve them with a dollop of your favorite fruit jam, some rich clotted cream, or even just a simple pat of butter. These homemade tea buns are the perfect accompaniment to a comforting cup of tea, making any moment special.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.